Well, the time has come finally. We just launched our incredible book, Growing Your Own Capital. Shout out to Jayson Lowe and Dan Allen. Dan Allen, of course, being the primary driver of the content of this book. Amazing stuff. We're getting incredible feedback so far. So this is for our gift card draw. We did an incredible launch and we had a lot of amazing people participate in that launch, many of whom actually completed the verification process with their order number from Amazon. Thanks to you and all the amazing effort on the launch team, the marketing team who helped us with this. But for you, the person buying this book, getting the value right to your door, as it were, we really appreciate you, and that's why we put this little gift card draw together. So we want to reward those action takers, those people who confirmed their order number through Amazon using our system. So thank you so much. And for those of you that bought the book anyway and have a copy, feel free to reach out and let us know what value you've received from the book. Always would love it, of course, if you're able to hop onto the Amazon platform where you purchased and make a comment about what you got, a star rating, whatever that might be, any comment around the book itself. We've had, again, some really good feedback, and so we're very, very grateful. With no further ado, though, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get this spinning wheel going so we can see who wins our gift card after the draw here for our launch event. So here we go. All right. Looks like we've got Corey Wallace. So Corey, congratulations. You are our gift card winner. Our team will be notifying you and sending over the details on how to get access to that gift card. And so thanks again for being an amazing participant, for buying a copy of the book, supporting the Wealth on Main Street podcast and our book series. We hope you've enjoyed the book so far. Love to hear from you, and perhaps we can even get you on the podcast at some point to share your story and the amazing takeaways you took from that particular book. So for those of you listening, thanks again. Thanks for participating. Keep your eyes open for our next book launch. Our next book coming out is going to be the book Diapers to Dollars, and that's all about a teen's perspective on the infinite banking concept. We're really excited to have both the amazing authors there that wrote that book available to talk it through, and pretty exciting. If you want to learn about that book or pre-register for where you can get a copy, you can go to NextGen IBC. That's NextGen IBC, and you'll be able to get access to it right there. I'll bring that up on the screen just shortly so you can see. There we go. So yeah, you can go ahead and register for the pre-launch. We're hoping to have that book available by the end of 2025, perhaps maybe even as a Black Friday deal, so you can get a copy in your hands before Christmas. But we're very excited, thanks to Jayson Lowe and Evan Edgar, who are the authors of this book. They know a ton about this process, and it's amazing how a couple of teenagers who've grown up in this scenario, grown up in this system, embracing family banking meetings like we talk about in our last book, Don't Spread the Wealth. By the way, you can get a copy of that by going to don'tspreadwealth.com. That's don'tspreadwealth.com. They are really embracing this. They've spoken on stage in front of a group of over 200 financial professionals. They are really embracing the way to take this forward into the next generation and sharing their ideas and their resources with both parents and with teenagers just like themselves. So if you want to know how to incorporate this in the family, get the perspective of a couple of teenagers who've grown up in this system, and make sure to register to get a copy of this book. That is NextGenIBC.com, and we can't wait for that launch. Thanks so much. And Corey, we'll be in touch about your gift card. Cheers.